Hi guys and welcome back. So I am in the middle of my trip and I had a lot of visits and obligations. So at least I wanted to show you the rest of my days here in Czechia and also tell you my feelings so far. The worst feeling here is because of driving. And you know what? I have never had problem to drive here, really. I've been driving here like 10 years. I tried it on the weekend once and I was so scared to drive because everyone is crazy, everyone here is driving crazy, and we have also the higher speed limits than in Canada, so it's much harder, and I love to drive in Canada, honestly. You know, drivers here are not patient, aggressive, angry, you know, they are sticking to your car behind you, and that's really crazy. And now I'm afraid to drive here. I would like to know if here is someone who has the similar experience, because I want to hear that I'm not the only one. What I missed the most is obviously my family, that's the first place, also my friends, and Czech food. I really missed Czech food. That's I already ate like ton of Czech food, so yeah, that's my pleasure here. My plan is to visit my old workplace. I will go there for massage and to the gym, and also I'm planning to go to the center of Prague, you know, the historic center of Prague. Also to IKEA, you probably know because it's in Canada is also IKEA, and some shopping, of course. So we will see, yeah, probably some short walks, you know, so I will show you the rest of the days, some of these in separate video, but I will show you what I can. I'm so happy to be here with my family and spending my time with them. I'm so grateful for this. So that's what I wanted to tell you. I think we can go. Welcome back, guys. We have the next day and today is my mom's birthday. We are going to dinner later, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to show you something from the dinner. But don't worry, I'm going to IKEA today with my sister. So I'm pretty sure I can show you something from IKEA. But first I'm going to visit her because she's making me a breakfast. She's making pancakes, so I'm so excited. And I think we can go. IKEA and we're going to take a look. So I wanted to show you later, but I have to wrap it, so I'm just showing you what I bought, and it's teapot for tea because we are drinking tea very often, so this is good souvenir to home. So we are done. We bought a lot of things. My sister needed a lot of things. I bought just for mom a little gift for her birthday also. I already have gift, but but I bought covers for pillows, and now my sister brought me hot dog, IKEA hot dog, of course, that's amazing. So yeah, he bought some things. My mom will be happy, and he will stop by probably at the shopping mall also, and I'll go eat. So we moved to the shopping mall and I'm looking for some jeans or summer pants. So we will see if I can find something. It's a long time since I've been here, but I'm pretty sure we can find something. So let's go take a look. So we are at home and I wanted to show you what I bought in IKEA. You know the hype about Labubu? Labubu is a scary stuffed monster, but I found in IKEA a better chain for my purse and I'll show you. See, this is IKEA Labubu. So I couldn't find any jeans, but I bought swimsuit, which I didn't need. And also pants, but like summer pants. So it was successful, but no jeans, no jeans. Hi guys and welcome back. As you could have seen, I went with my sister to IKEA. It was 2 days ago. Yesterday I went with my mommy to the historic center of Prague, but you will see that in a separate video. And I'm so excited for today because I will meet with my friend from Prague and together we will meet with my friend from Abu Dhabi. I mean, she's from Czechia originally, but she's flight attendant in Abu Dhabi for Etihad Airlines and she came home for 1 day, so that's amazing. I didn't expect that, but I'm so excited because if you live so far away from someone, it's amazing if you can meet each other at one place. So that will be amazing. So we will find some amazing coffee place to get a coffee, and after that I'll go with my friend from here to bear lesson. It's very popular here in Czechia now, and it's basically something between ballet and workout. Honestly, I don't know what to expect, but I'm so excited, and if I will like it, I will try to find something similar in Canada near my home. So we will see, but I'm so excited for today, and of course I'll take you with me. So let's go. Hi guys and welcome to the next day. I didn't record yesterday because I was so tired, but I'm here today to tell you about yesterday's lesson. The lesson was so amazing. I can't even describe it, but it was something different, something new for me, and I really enjoyed it. So I will definitely try to find something similar in Canada because I would like to attend these classes at least once per week. So we will see, and you will definitely see if I can find something. But yeah, there was something I really enjoyed, and I think I finally found something I really like. So we will see. And what's my plan today? Today my plan is to go for a massage to my old job. And I'll take you with me because I want to show you something from my past. I want to show you the place where I used to work before. I'm not allowed to record there because of the privacy of other clients, but at least I want to show you something. So just 3 more days left until I leave back to Canada, so the time goes so fast. And yeah, I will miss my family again, but I have to finish school first because I spent a lot of money, so that's the priority now. My plan for tomorrow is to go to Austria for a hike, and I'll take you with me, but in a separate video. And then just 2 more days left. That's crazy. So this is not the end of this video because I'll show you more, of course, because still 2 more days left. And now I'm waiting because my sister will pick me up and I can go. So I'm gonna get ready.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Guys, we are almost at the end of this video. That's crazy. Time goes so fast and I have just 1 day left until my flight back to Canada. I had a lot of fun and I am here to tell you about my last 14 days. I visited my dad, my grandpa, my friends. I also took a trip to Austria and went for a workout lesson and some coffees, food. So it was fun. Yesterday I visited my dad again, and today I'm going to visit my grandpa again to say bye, And yeah, it was fun. I'm so grateful that I could have been here. And tomorrow is my flight, and I will try to upgrade to business because I would really love to fly in business. It's my first direct flight. It's from Prague to Toronto, and it would be really nice to sit in business. So I will try to upgrade. It depends if the flight is full or no. So we will see. I will try to ask tomorrow, but today, as I mentioned, I'm going to visit my grandpa and I will be packing my things, my suitcases. So I think that's it for today's video. Just I will let you know if I got business class. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it here with me, and I'll just let you know if I get business or not. So maybe you'll see it, maybe not. We will see. I will try to ask tomorrow. And as always, I would be really happy for like, comment and subscribe. And see you in Canada. So guys, I didn't get business because it was still pretty expensive, but I found out that there was the first direct flight to Toronto. So we got some snacks and cake, and it was a little celebration before the flight, and we got also some small gift. And I just wanted to tell you this. It's not about business but a little celebration. So that's it, and see you in Canada.